here we are, another week. We got corn on the menu this time. I'll shut this. Someone's been getting really angry that we haven't shut the screen door today, so it's probably best that I do that.
Don't want flies. Right, Dad?
Yeah. Hey, Mosh Pit All-Stars. So another week, another event. We're going Uncle Dan's Street Corn. I had this at Pig Out in the Park last year, and it was awesome. I had a friendly tip from one of the Mosh Pit All-Stars this week that maybe I should follow suit on the corn I did last week, which wasn't very good. So now it's redemption time, and I'm out to get buns. We're gonna see if we can do it this week.
So like and share.
Yeah, exactly. How do you pronounce this, Mom? Elote?
Elote.
I got a D in Spanish.
I know you did.
Mom got an A, so she kind of knows a little bit. But yeah, so it's street corn, man, and we're gonna use Uncle Dan's Chipotle Ranch for this. And to make the Chipotle Ranch, normally you would just use sour cream for the dip and mayo, but this week we did the Mexican style sour cream to help spice it up a little bit. You get your dip all ready to go, and then yeah, your corn right here, which we've got. Quick and easy. You put the corn on the grill for what, 30 minutes?
Mm-hmm. In the
Let it
husk.
barbecue, yeah, in the husks. And then there we go. We're just putting the Uncle Dan's Chipotle all over him. Whole thing. There we go. Oh, and don't forget UncleDans.com. Order anything over 35 bucks, you're gonna get free shipping. You can't beat that. You can get all these cool shakers like we got right here. So yeah, we got the Uncle Dan's Chipotle on there. Now we are going to put on some cheese. How do I say this? I already forgot.
Cotija.
Cotija cheese.
Mexican cheese. Yeah,
Yes.
cotija.
It's almost like a feta cheese. So yeah, we're just gonna sprinkle it.
And what's the green stuff called again?
Oh, it's chives.
It is not. It's cilantro.
Cilantro. We're gonna put some cilantro on here as
He's
well.
hopeless. Thank God I'm back.
Yeah, thank goodness. Okay, gonna get that on there. Give her a little lime here. Yeah, perfect. Yum. And then just for looks and the taste, of course.
You love Chipotle.
Yeah,
That's
I
why.
do. I'm gonna put a little more chipotle on there. There you go. Rinse and repeat with your other corn. You got some street corn at home. Since we didn't get Pig Out in the Park this year, I figured why not. So. That was good. Do I have it all over my face?
You do.
That's so good. There we go, Mosh Pit All-Stars, another week. I need to clean my face.